Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, we're going to be looking at unboxing the NZXT MXER unit, which gets paired with their stand and their new headset. So, without mucking around too much, let's get into this. So, one of the things you'll notice is with this channel is that it is one take and that's it. And purely, it's because, one, I don't have a lot of time for it, but two, it keeps it honest. I'm not cutting out any mistakes or anything like that. I'm purely just doing an unboxing, so yeah. But if you do want to see the full review, an actual polished review of this unit, including the headset and the stand, then make sure you subscribe to my TechWizTime channel. There'll be a link down in the description, or I'll try and get a card up above. So, all right, here we go. You've got a nice little plastic cover there, just protecting the MXER itself. So I'll put that to the side and so I'll throw that just to the side for a second, just so I can see what else is in here. So we've got a little, 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack, 2 male ends. Okay, you've got a little quick start guide there, which has all your languages, and have a look. You might be able to see that there a little bit better. Yeah, that's a fairly comprehensive quick start guide. What else? There's nothing in, oh, there's silica. Yeah, silica. I'll leave that in there. And we've got another 3.5mm male to male jack there, and also USB micro to USB-A. So that's the actual things that you get in the box itself. Let me just tidy that up and put that to the side. So here's the actual MXER itself, and just from the feel of it, it's got a little bit of weight to it. It's not completely empty, which is nice. It's plastic, obviously. It's got 4 little rubberized standoff feet on the bottom there, which is good. On the, I guess that's the front. So the front, there's the headset jack right there. On the back, you've got the micro USB port. You've got the stand port just there. And then you've got the speaker, or your speakers there. So that is really nice. So this here, I believe, is the dial. It's got a little bit of resistance there, and obviously you can hear the clicking. It does sound a little bit like a drag, but it's not bad. Even just holding it like that, that feels a little bit better. At least you've got that audible click where you can see how high the volume is going, or how many points it's gone up and gone down. When it is powered on, I've seen the lights come on there. So again, you'll see that in the full review on the TechWizTime channel. You've got the slider switch there to go between game and voice. And once you get to the middle there is actually an audible click to show you that you've gone dead center. So you can put more audio into the game or more audio into the voice section. So yeah, that's a fairly decent little unit. I'm going to be testing this out, obviously, and seeing how it actually pairs with the headset and the stand. So yeah, if you want to check that out, then make sure you subscribe to the TechWizTime channel. If you want to see more quick unboxings like this that are, one take, no mucking around, then definitely subscribe to the Beardicus channel. If you can, share this video and subscribe to this channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.